This is the El Choco Red. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that leaf. Anthurium clarinervium. It is gorgeous. This is absolutely amazing. Look at those leaves. It's just beautiful. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like the sixth leaf, the new leaf, is having a bit of a issue right there. I'm gonna have to pay special attention to it. I'm gonna be careful here. I don't want to accidentally cut anything off or any roots off. It's got some nice, healthy root. Who's at the door? I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. You just gotta love Amazon Prime. Now, where were we at? The root looks nice and healthy. No browning, no black parts or mushy parts that I can see. Feels hard. I don't think it's rot. That is a good chunk of stumped right there. And no visible pests or anything on the leaves that I can see. At first I was just going to leave them in the bag with sphagnum moss, but I wanted to check the roots to make sure everything is okay. The roots are all healthy. But since I'm taking them off, I am just going to go ahead and pop these babies up. Hopefully they'll accumulate to my environment. And I want to make sure they survive in my care. It's my favorite one so far, so I don't want to accidentally do any harm. I have all my plants shipped express to me. This was actually supposed to arrive tomorrow by 3 p.m. But to my surprise, it came in today. And boy, was I happy. And it happened to be my day off. I'm very happy I get to spend a little time with my babies and keep a close eye on them for the first couple of days. Check out this one. Let me move this aside. I don't really want to contaminate anything. This looks good so far. That is a big chunk of root. Wow. Everything looks really good here. What is this? Oh, that's not good. Just comes off. Let me just pinch it off there. Other than that, I think everything else looks good. Very, very nice, healthy root system. Okay, I'm gonna check for any pests. I hear these are pretty hardy. I'm not exactly sure what those are. Maybe I had some pest issue in the past or something, but I'll pay special extra attention and see if there's any ongoing issue. But other than that, it looks great. These are lovely. I'm just gonna have to find someone who has the same plant, and maybe we can try to get together and pollinate these and have something come out of it, and who knows. Okay, here they are, my 2 brand new babies. I'm extremely happy with this week's purchase.